Welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a quick get ready with me. I didn't really show my makeup part, but I did show how I create my loose waves. They don't take me much time to do. They only take me like 10 to 15 minutes and they're very quick and easy. I'll also be showing you my outfit of the day. So if you're interested in seeing how I get this hairstyle and want to see the rest of my outfit, then please keep watching. My hair is naturally curly. I'm very puffy. It gets super frizzy, especially at the length that it's at right now. I'm not even lying, it'll come out to like right here. So even though my hair is curly, I still like to like sleek it out with a straightener, just have it sleek and straight, and then I'll go in with a curling iron and just kind of create loose waves because my natural curls are a little bit more tight. So before I start to curl my hair or straighten it, whichever one I do, I use this Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Spray, and this is just going to protect my hair from damaging it. And then right after, I'll use two products. I'll use a Big Sexy Hair spray and Play Harder. So this spray, I really like it because it doesn't leave your curls too crunchy. It leaves them soft, but it also holds the curls all day long. And then for a little bit of shine and to prevent frizz, I use a Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. So I'll just use that right after. And then to curl my hair, I use different things. I typically use a straightener, but today I'm gonna use my NuMe wand, and I just use like a comb and a hair tie, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see, my hair's not too long. It has grown from how I had it cut, but I usually wear extensions to give me length and volume. Today I won't be doing that. I'm just gonna use my own hair. I section my hair right above my ear and tied the rest up away to start working on the bottom layer. I divided the bottom layer into two sections, and I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping my hair around the barrel for a few seconds. I think I wrap it around for about 20 seconds, and then I just release into my hand, leave it there for a few seconds, and then release. Once I finished with the bottom, I sectioned another layer at the height of my eyebrows and continued curling my hair. So if you divide into three sections, kind of like what I did, it's faster, it's quicker, and you're not gonna get that like really tight curl because of more hair. Obviously, the less it's gonna get curly, so it's like more of a loose wave, and you'll finish pretty fast this way. So that's why I like doing it that way. I do just alternate one facing out, one facing in, and then at the bottom section I did divide by 2 strands of hair. The middle section I divide by 3 strands of hair, and then the top section I'll do 4. And I do have a lot of hair, so even though I'm doing it this way, like grabbing bigger sections of hair, it still comes out pretty good. So yeah, this is just what works for me whenever I want to like do waves, but I don't really have enough time, or I don't really wear my extensions. With my extensions, it takes such a long time just because I do wear like a very full set of extensions. It's way more hair. It takes so much time, but I'll do that like when I have somewhere important to go to, or whenever I just want that extra hair and I have that extra time. But if not, this is what I'll do. And like I said, at the top, I do take 4 sections of hair. And I do take my time just because this is the visible layer. This is the main one that everybody can see. So you want to make sure it looks, you know, a little bit better than the bottom sections. The bottom sections, they don't really matter because you can barely see them. I see I messed that one up. But it's okay. I'll just redo it. But yeah, just the top layer, I always concentrate more on that one because like I said, it's the one that's more visible. And I keep alternating out, in, just to create more volume and so that the curls or waves won't bunch up all together. And then in the top layer, the front section is the most important one because it's what frames your face. So I really always like to just face it outward. And I'll fix that in a minute. It's just looking like this so far. So we're almost done. It didn't really take me long at all. If I didn't have this glove on, I would probably have already burned myself like 50 times. Alright, last section of hair. This is what it looks like without like fixing it or anything like that. I do always leave the part in the middle. And now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is like flip my hair over, add some hairspray. Still not done. It's gonna look a little crazy right now. But I am loving the volume that I got. So now with the Shine serum, I'm gonna add just a little bit. Oh, said a little bit, a lot came out. Just like to the bottom because I feel like my hair is always more dull looking down here. And I just kind of scrunch up like this just to loosen up the waves. And my hair feels so soft with, even though I used the hairspray. So just kind of keep playing with it. I like it just the way it is, like this, not too loose, but not a structured curl. So this is what it looks like. Really cute and easy hairstyle if you have short hair or medium length hair like me. Moving on to my outfit, this bodysuit is from Forever 21 and I don't remember, but I think the jeans are from Marshalls and my boots are also from Forever 21. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe for more fashion and beauty videos.